Batch data processing is becoming obsolete. Real-time data processing is the new standard. And Apache Kafka engineers are in high demand globally because the technology is difficult to master, and the business value is enormous. Here is what you need to know. Think about the applications that define modern life. Fraud detection that works in milliseconds. Live dashboards updating as events happen. Personalized recommendations appearing instantly. Real-time inventory management. All of these depend on streaming data, not batch processing that runs every few hours. What is real-time data engineering? You build systems that process millions of events per second, as they happen. Technologies like Apache Kafka, Apache Flink, and Apache Pulsar power this infrastructure. Why does it pay a premium? Number 1. Genuine complexity. Real-time systems require handling late-arriving data, ensuring exactly once processing, and managing distributed state at scale. These are hard engineering problems, and companies pay accordingly. Number 2. Clear business value. Real-time fraud detection prevents millions in losses. Real-time recommendations increase revenue significantly. The return on investment is direct and measurable. Number 3. Growing adoption. Every industry is migrating from batch to streaming. Financial services, e-commerce, logistics, IoT, the demand is global and accelerating. What do you actually build? Event streaming real-time ETL processes with Kafka streams or Apache Flink. Event-driven microservices architectures. Real-time analytics and dashboards. Change data capture systems that detect database changes instantly. Industry applications worth knowing. In financial services, real-time fraud detection, instant payment processing, live portfolio updates. In e-commerce, live inventory management, personalized recommendations, dynamic pricing. In logistics, package tracking, route optimization, fleet monitoring. In manufacturing and IoT, sensor data processing, predictive maintenance, real-time alerts. Here is a 6-month learning path. Months 1 and 2, learn Kafka fundamentals. Producers, consumers, topics, partitions. Set up local clusters. Months 3 and 4, master Kafka streams or Apache Flink. Build actual streaming applications from scratch. Months 5 and 6, understand production operations. Monitoring, scaling, disaster recovery, and cloud-managed services like AWS MSK or Confluent Cloud. For projects, consider building a real-time sentiment analysis pipeline, a fraud detection simulation, or a live dashboard from clickstream data. These are exactly the kinds of portfolio projects that impress hiring teams globally. Confluent also offers official Kafka certifications that signal serious competence to employers. Real-time data engineering combines high technical complexity with consistent, growing global demand. Our Apache Kafka Mastery program takes you from beginner to production ready, with hands-on streaming projects throughout. The link is in the description. Subscribe for in-demand data engineering specializations that will serve your career for years to come. Are you new to our platform? Great news, you are in the right place. This video will introduce you to everything you need to know. Let's dive in. First, sign up for an account on our website. It only takes a few minutes. Next, explore the dashboard. Here, you'll find all the features at your fingertips. It's designed to be user-friendly. Now, let's talk about setting your profile. Add your profile picture and bio. This helps others connect with you. After that, familiarize yourself with our community guidelines. It ensures a positive experience for everyone. Want to engage with others? Check out our forums and groups. Join discussions that interest you. Need help? Visit our support center anytime. We're here to assist you. To recap, sign up, explore the dashboard, set your profile, and engage with the community. Ready to start your journey? Go ahead and jump in. Your experience awaits.